Welcome to this introductory part of health and physical education. In this part, we will talk about the concept of physical education, how this subject have come into existence, what is the meaning of physical education, what exactly it means, physical education. We will talk about different definition which is given by many experts of the subjects and other organizations. We will understand the importance of physical education with certain objectives which leads us to achieve the aim of physical education. The physical education. The term physical education comprises of two words, that is physical, which means related to body, and education means modification in behavior or change in behavior. Therefore, it can be considered that the motive of physical education is to bring change in behavior which is related to physical activities meant for the development of fitness, human body, maintaining development of skill and power. Physical education has a very deep root in ancient period and it's gone through many changes in the past various civilization. In ancient time also, physical education was very important to the people for their survival. In the past decades, people have acquired lifestyle diseases like diabetes, hypertension, obesity, asthma, and back pain. Physical education has contributed to great extent in avoiding these diseases. That's why the whole world is giving importance to physical education. It has also increased the quality of life of an individual and contributed towards improving good health of a nation. In fact, by taking part in physical education and involving or indulging in physical education, people are really contributing towards building a nation. Every nation becomes strong by their citizens. If their citizens are healthy, that nation is called a strong nation, healthy nation, because health is wealth. If a nation is busy in taking care of health of a citizen, they are not really looking for the future development or futuristic things. Instead, they are busy in looking after the health of the people they are lacking back. That's why it becomes very important for the people to keep their health in a good state. They have to maintain a healthy life where this physical education becomes very important. It plays a really very important role in building a strong nation. And that is why the whole world is emphasizing on this subject, the physical education. Here we have certain definitions given by experts and different organizations. According to C.A. Butcher, physical education is an integral part of total education process which has its aim the development of physically, mentally, emotionally, and socially fit citizens through the medium of physical activities which have been selected with a view to realizing these outcomes. In the words of Central Advisory Board of Physical Education and Research, they have stated that physical education is education through physical activities for the development of the total personality of the child to its fullness and perfection in body, mind, and spirit. According to this, after reading these two definitions and other definitions which are prevailing and given by experts, the meaning of physical education. Here we have some statements here. Physical education is the general part of general education process and it's very important for human beings. It's not only physical activity, but it is the education of a whole body through the body. American research studies show that the person who are engaged in various physical education achieved higher goals in comparison to those who did not engage in physical activities. In fact, physical education enables a child to have total physical growth and development to lead a happy and prosperous life. So here we could conclude that physical education gives us holistic development, which includes the development of mind, development of emotion, development of an individual socially and emotionally also. And that's what is the need of a human to lead his life happily and with prosperity, keeping apart, avoiding, you can say, the diseases which are falling prey to live and making a hindrance, making a hurdle to lead a healthy and prosperous life. Benefits of physical education: physical fitness and mental growth. By involving in physical education, people are getting physically fit and they are also getting mental development and growth. By taking part in physical education and learning different skills and coming out to play and performing an activity, it improves concentration level of an individual. While performing this activity, they become so communicative with their teammates, the other teams, the other people, and when they become communicative, when they acquire the skill of communication, they become leader, which really helps them to lead a successful life. Discipline and productivity. Until an individual becomes disciplined, he cannot be a good performer, he cannot be a champion. And it is said that discipline is the bedrock of success. Until you are disciplined, you are not productive. Here, productivity means performance. Productivity means getting a becoming a better citizen or living a successful life. Means what people are expecting from you, you are giving them production by sports performance, by the way you live your life, by setting an example to others. And in this way, you get an inner peace of mind because you understand yourself, you know your capacity, your caliber, that what you can do, which keeps you away from stresses. When you know your capacity, when you know your caliber, when you know your ability, actually you lead a peaceful life because you know you can do it, you can perform better, you get that confidence, you have that confidence in you that I can do it. And that's what you stay in good health, in a state of good health. That is the aim of physical education, to live a successful life. Here are the objectives of physical education. These are the objectives of physical education. Why physical education? What does physical education gives us? It makes us physically developed. Means it makes our muscles so able, it makes our muscles so strong. It makes our internal organ in a good state of function. It doesn't make us physically developed, it also develops us mentally. By taking part in different activities, we are so able to take decisions. We become a decision maker by performing different skills. We have to take certain decisions, quick decisions that makes us leader, that leads you to become a leader. It also becomes so communicative in the sense that you are performing. So here when we talk about social development, we become responsible towards our society, to our state, to our nation. That is called social development. Physical education leads us to a good state of health. Means we are avoiding, or we can keep the diseases away from an individual by indulging in physical education. That is what the motive of physical education, to live a happy and prosperous life. It makes us so able to accept the success and failure, the good and bad. Here you become very strong, that what is bad in you, you accept that and you try to make yourself better. What is your failure, you accept that and you try to become success and you make effort in that way. That is called emotional development. You are actually balanced in your emotions. You don't come under emotions, you control your emotion. That is emotional development. Better neuromuscular coordination. Through the neurons, our body receives message and accordingly it acts. How faster your bodily muscles are acting towards neurons, the messaging system, that better we have neuromuscular coordination. Means actually my mind is ordering to muscular system to my body and it performing in that way. That is called neuromuscular coordination, which leads us towards a completement. Physical education, by getting this objectives achieved, it leads us to achieve the actual aim of physical education. The aim of physical education is to make a complete citizen in all aspects of life, maybe physical, social, mental, emotional qualities which will help him to lead a happy life and build a good citizen. Thank you.